and thank you for joining us. MikroTik, as a manufacturer of advanced internet connectivity products and a provider of networking trainings and certificates, offers an extensive range of services on its website. In this video, we want to take you on a tour of their website and familiarize ourselves with the available menus and contents. Okay, so this is the home page of MikroTik's website, and you can see the main menus here at the top. We'll get back to each of them in a few minutes. Underneath the main menus, you have a number of banners. MikroTik uses these banners to present its most recent products. The next part is used for some of the most important announcements. As you can see, they have provided access to MikroTik's YouTube channel as well as their latest newsletter of March 2021. We recommend that you subscribe to MikroTik's YouTube channel and follow their Twitter and Facebook pages to get the most updated news about MikroTik RouterOS and router boards. Moving further down, after the shortcuts to the Twitter and Facebook accounts, you have the MikroTik Training section, which consists of 3 parts. The first part, titled Training, gives you a list of all upcoming MikroTik training sessions categorized by different continents that can also be sorted via different filters. The second part, named Trainers and Academies, gives you a map and a great deal of useful information about different MikroTik trainers and training centers in different continents. And the third section, that is Graduation, provides you with a table similar to part 1 about all the past training sessions in different continents from 2010 until now. Below the training section, you can also see the top 5 upcoming training programs in different continents. By clicking on Full Training List, you will again be taken to the full list of upcoming MikroTik training programs. In case you're looking for a particular program, refer to the training section, find your local MikroTik certified trainer or training center, and ask them for details of their upcoming training programs. The final section before the website footer is titled Hardware and Software. This section is also divided into 3 main parts, namely RouterOS, Product Catalog, and Distribution. The first part is quite important. This part is the gateway to everything about RouterOS and includes all the necessary information and resources you need when working with RouterOS. From here, you can access different resources such as downloadable files, manuals, demo routers, brochures, the MikroTik Forum, etc. We are already working on our upcoming tutorials for RouterOS and SwitchOS so that you can easily start to learn all the features, options, and abilities of these router management operating systems. In case you're interested, you can subscribe to our channel so as not to miss our future tutorials. The second part gives you access to the most recent MikroTik product catalog. It is a PDF file that you can download here. You can also order a hard copy of this catalog, but it is recommended that you use this online version as it is more up to date. In addition to our upcoming videos on RouterOS and SwitchOS, we have planned to create a series of instructional videos on MikroTik router boards and hardware to help users make the most suitable choice when purchasing MikroTik products. And the third section under hardware and software is distribution, which gives you all the information you need to find and contact your local distributors. You should know that MikroTik has 3 types of distributor. The first type is reseller, the second is master distributor, and the third is master distributor and value-added distributor. This type of MikroTik partners, based on their experience, knowledge, and certifications, can offer you a more comprehensive consultancy and a wider range of equipment. By clicking on each company, you will be redirected to their respective websites. Please remember that MikroTik itself does not sell products to end users, and you are required to contact a reseller or a distributor to buy MikroTik products. The last part on the MikroTik homepage is the footer. Here you also have a number of links to useful pages. First of all, we recommend every MikroTik user to subscribe to their newsletter since in addition to new products, they include important information about software upgrades, meeting dates, new services, and so on. On the left, you first have the home page. There is also the About Us page, a number of notable MikroTik customers, and a link to a web page for those interested to work for MikroTik. It should be mentioned, though, that MikroTik only hires its employees from Latvian citizens, and as you can see, this page is created fully in Latvian. The middle column includes access to MikroTik's support system, which we will discuss in a few minutes. The next two items here are very useful and important for all MikroTik users. The first one is the MikroTik Forum. The forum can be regarded as a very useful reference where all MikroTik users talk about subjects such as RouterOS, new MikroTik hardware, issues and user experiences, troubleshooting, user requests, and so on. We suggest that you create an account in the forum in order to be active and interact with other users. The announcements on the forum are especially useful for you. For instance, here you can see an ongoing discussion about the latest stable version of the RouterOS. In this case, you can refer to this discussion before upgrading your own RouterOS version so that you can become aware of any possible issues or problems that users before you have experienced. The management of this forum is mainly the responsibility of MikroTik and its own employees. However, recently, MikroTik distributors, consultants, and trainers have also been highly encouraged to take part in the forum to offer their knowledge and expertise. Regardless, end users who have a user account on the forum can also be active and participate in the discussions. The next resource, which is overlooked by many users, is the MikroTik Wiki. Here, MikroTik has provided its users with a pool of information concerning RouterOS and SwitchOS, MikroTik hardware, and the DUD monitoring system. You can either use the search box here or refer to each main category to find the information you need. For instance, as you can see, the information under RouterOS has been subcategorized into different sections, and under each section you have more detailed titles concerning each specific feature or option. The column on the right includes access to MikroTik's newsletters, YouTube channel, and privacy policy. Also, you can refer to MUMs, that is MikroTik user meetings. MUMs are conferences that MikroTik schedules and holds around the world, and they provide MikroTik users with an opportunity to interact with each other, exchange information, talk about their experiences, and meet MikroTik staff and distributors. MUMs are also a very good source of information, since you can refer to the materials that were presented at each conference in order to learn more and maybe find an answer to a possible issue. For instance, if you go to one of MikroTik's past conferences, you can access the relevant information on the subjects that were discussed at that event. And finally, you have the Designs webpage. Here, you have a number of resources that include graphic files to be used when creating MikroTik merchandise. Also, you have a number of different MikroTik wallpapers that are ready for use, as well as the approved MikroTik logo package with instructions on how to use the MikroTik logo for your contents. Moving back to the menus at the top of the page, after the home page, you have the About Us page. Here, we have the brief introduction to MikroTik as a company based in Riga, Latvia. It has been established in 1996, creating the RouterOS software in 1997 and launching its own brand of internet hardware in 2002. On this page, you can find MikroTik's full contact information. The third link, titled Buy, takes you to the Distributors page that we talked about earlier. On this page, you can also refer to the Made for MikroTik program, or MFM. This program is for companies who either create accessories and products for MikroTik or come up with turnkey solutions based on MikroTik router board and RouterOS. Here, you can see the list of all these companies as well as their products. You can also find some books that have been written in different languages concerning MikroTik products here. We talked about the job menu before that is specific to Latvian citizens, so we will move past it. The hardware menu is where you can find all MikroTik products that are being produced. You have different product categories here, and you can also use the search box for more convenience. Also, under the categories, you have product filters that you can use to narrow your search for MikroTik products based on different ranges, features, wireless standards, operating system, and architecture. Moreover, by clicking on the scale icon in front of each product, you can select 2 or at most 3 products in order to compare them with each other. By clicking on Compare, you will be given a table such as this that enables you to compare the features of the selected products. I simply want to remind you that we will soon be posting videos on how to select the best MikroTik hardware for your SMB, ISP, WISP, SOHO, etc. So follow our channel to watch our videos as they come out. Going back to the hardware menu, clicking on a product takes you to the specific page for that product. Here, apart from a basic introduction, you have product specifications, support and resources for that product, high-resolution images, and test results. Bear in mind that each MikroTik product has a unique product code that can be used as its identifier. Here, you can use this code when you are purchasing a product for more accuracy and easier interaction with your local reseller or distributor. The next menu is software. This menu includes all the downloadable resources and updates for MikroTik software. Firstly, you have the Winbox, which has been discussed in the first 3 sessions of our toddler tutorial series. You can refer to our YouTube channel for more information on the Winbox. You also have the Dude, which is used for monitoring purposes, Net Install, which is used to upgrade or reinstall RouterOS on your device, and FlashFig, that is used for mass configuration in the case of a large number of devices. Finally, there is the bandwidth test utility, which is used to test and assess the throughput and speed between 2 or more network devices. We are also working on videos on how to install and activate the Dude server and how to work with the bandwidth test software. From the table below, you can download various packages for different devices. The table has been divided into 4 main categories, that is RouterOS, Cloud Hosted Router or CHR, SwitchOS, and SwitchOS Lite. And you can find different subcategories and versions under each main section. The important thing to remember is that each of these resources come with a changelog that gives you detailed information on the changes that have been made to each version. Make sure you carefully read relevant changelogs before downloading and installing newer software versions or software upgrades. You can also access the history of changelogs from the submenu here. In addition, you have a download archive, the RouterOS page that we discussed earlier, a specific page for the Dude, which is used for monitoring purposes, as well as the MikroTik mobile application that is available for both iOS and Android. The mobile app is mainly used for conducting basic device configurations. The support menu is also a useful and important part of the website. From here and by clicking on Contact Support, you can directly contact MikroTik. By creating an account, you can submit tickets concerning your support requests directly to MikroTik. This support system is completely free of charge. Once you log into your account in the support system, you will have 5 options. They are technical support, hardware problems, license questions, reporting a bug, and suggesting a new feature. Documentation is a currently developing part of MikroTik's website. For easier access and a better user experience, MikroTik has decided to move all the information available on its wiki to its own website. Documentation is the destination for that wiki content, and it's being gradually created. Below these two parts, you have a set of instructions when you want to receive support. Make sure you read these instructions in order to receive quality support as soon as possible from MikroTik or your local distributor. Moreover, in case you come across a bug or a fault in MikroTik software or hardware, you can follow the guidelines below to get in touch with MikroTik and notify them of the problem. From the submenu here, you have access to the forum. You can also find the contact information for different MikroTik consultants based on different regions in order to support your local consultants and receive services more easily. Also, you can contact MikroTik concerning return merchandise authorization. However, remember that MikroTik requires you as the end user to contact your official local distributor regarding RMAs or warranty terms. Also, in case you're purchasing MikroTik products from other companies such as Amazon sellers, make sure that those sellers are official MikroTik resellers or distributors. Otherwise, you cannot expect unauthorized resellers to provide you with the necessary support or warranty services. The next menu at the top is Training. Here, you can either access the list of upcoming training sessions as you did from the homepage, get information about MikroTik training centers, MikroTik academies, and MikroTik certificates, or search for trainers and training centers based on different regions. MikroTik academies that are introduced in the next submenu are educational institutes such as universities or colleges that have partnered with MikroTik by offering internet networking courses for their students using MikroTik RouterOS as a learning tool. We'd like to refer you to this short video by MikroTik in case you're interested in becoming a MikroTik Academy in your region. To become a MikroTik Academy, you can apply through your local official MikroTik coordinator. Currently, Wireless Network Technologies is the only MikroTik coordinator in Canada that will help you in case you intend to become a MikroTik Academy. Train the Trainer is a specific training course that is only provided by MikroTik, and it aims to help interested individuals become MikroTik certified trainers. There are different requirements for signing up in these training courses, and you can log into your account to be notified when a Train the Trainer program is available in your region. Certificate Search enables you to search for the MikroTik certifications of any individual based on their name or their certificate number. And Archive redirects you to the list of all previous training sessions since 2010. And finally, you have the account menu at the top, from where you can either log into an existing account or register a new account. We strongly advise you to create an account on the MikroTik website as it is useful for a number of purposes, such as requesting support, receiving news, information, and updates, registering for a training program, attending MUMs, participating in the MikroTik Forum, and so on. Okay, so that's all the information you need to know for now in order to be familiar with MikroTik's website. In case you have any questions or opinions, please leave us a comment so that we can get back to you very soon. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you have found this video useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Until next time, stay safe.